Okay, so what can I say after my second uh, road ride after coming back after my accident? Man, it was fun. The wind, the breeze, um, riding a new e-bike, the friends, talking story with friends, like testing the e-bike, and when I got tired I could kick up the power on the e-bike, even though I mostly rode the e-bike in level 1. um, there's 5 levels on the Roadster, and I tested up to level 4, and because I'm a former cyclist, um, I was able to kick it up to like 24 miles per hour very easily, like not fully sprinting the legs. So if you used to race bikes and you're jumping to a e-bike because you're coming off an injury like me, I had a broken leg, broken arm, and couple broken ribs because I survived a hit and run accident. E-biking is fun, a lot of fun. And in the future, um, I was discussing with my friend Jeff how to use a e-bike. Um, I would when I would have relatives visit for vacation, I could let them use the e-bike to ride with me, and because I'm faster, they can just kick up the power and still ride with me. Or if I'm very tired from a Sunday ride, I can ride on Monday with power as a recovery ride. So there's a lot of ways to keep using an e-bike even after I am healed and I feel strong and fast. Or if I just want a challenge, I and I'm okay already, I can turn off the power and just pedal the e-bike by itself, because it's not that hard to ride by itself with no power, especially if you were already a cyclist and you have some history of having some power in your legs. Because before my accident, my FTP, functional threshold power, was about 225 to to 250 watts. That's the power I could hold for 1 hour in a race scenario. So if you have that type of power and you're jumping to a e-bike with pedal assist like the one I have, the Roadster V2, it's very easy and fun. Um, the handlebars not too wide, um, no kickstand, no problem, no fenders, no problem. The weight 32 pounds, not bad. Um, I bought the small so that I would have more effective seat post, and that provides more cushion for a bumpy road, which was good. Um, so I was able to sit up kind of like a Dutch bike, and it was comfortable. Um, yeah, the legs feel good with a range of motion because I'm still healing and getting stronger. So I just have to put a bottle cage on, and that after that 11-mile ride, mostly in level 1, 99% of the time, I would say I could probably do 50 miles in level 1. One day I will test it, just not today, because today is only my second ride back. But bar none, my review of my first e-bike ride on mostly flat road with a Ride 1-Up Roadster V2 is the thing is amazing, the price is amazing, the looks are amazing, the comfort for me was amazing, the saddle comfortable. I put 60 psi in the tires. Man, I have no complaints. The battery lasted the whole time. Only one bar depleted, so it went from 5 bars to 4, which is still good, and it basically felt like someone was pushing you in a assist motion the whole ride in level 1. Like, and starting to ride after a red light or a stop sign with a level 1 assist was easy, and I'm recovering from a tibia plateau fracture. So if you have no injuries, this bike is gonna be fun. Because me with injuries, the bike was fun. So I'm looking forward to my next ride, and like, comment, and subscribe down below, and have a good ride. Ride 1-Up. Peace.